Hey guys, just another video here. It's 7 a.m. There's a lot of poop on the floor. We're fishing with our family at Castaic Lake. I don't know if you guys know where that is.
What?
That's the wilderness, the forest. You guys know what I mean? That's my grandma, mom, dad, and grandpa. So yeah guys, I'm bored. Bored. I don't know what to say guys. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to think of anything, but my brother wanted to record.
Liar.
He's just a liar because he's so shiny. How many fish did he actually want to catch? I'll make a video of it. Don't worry guys. I'll catch 10 fishes. Walking on the road. Walking on the sand road. Bunny! Oh, never mind.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me.
Iguana! Oh, there's really an iguana right there.
Hello.
Have you guys came over here to Castaic Lake to fish with friends? No?
Right, and comment below.
I don't know. That's what my brother said. I don't really say that no more. I don't get that many views. So,
You don't even get views.
so that video that I got like almost 20 views on. Bro, so bad.
Wow.
Shut up, Dave. It's my first video. Alright guys, I'll make the next video in a little. This is Obey Luis. And out.